everyone, welcome back to Programming Pathways, your go-to channel for everything web development and web design. If you are as passionate about creating stunning websites as I am, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's exciting tutorial, don't forget to smack the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so basically you'll never miss out on any feature content. Your support keep this community growing and help us bring more content and tricks and tutorials to you. So without further ado, let's talk about the topic that we have today. Today we are taking a closer look at something very modern, something basically every modern website needs: a sleek and functional transparent header. Whether you are building a portfolio website or it's an e-commerce website, or basically if it's a blog or a transparent header can make your website look professional and visually stunning, like you see over here. Basically we are going to create this header over here, and this hero section or banner section, whatever you call it, we are going to create this today. Okay, so for creating this, we have fresh WordPress website on a local computer that we set up using local by Flywheel. That is a tool. It's a software. This local development software is basically perfect for experimenting and building WordPress websites without going live until you're ready. As you can see right now, it's basically just like creating a new WordPress website, just giving admin username and password, and there you have. You can just click over here, right here, and you can access the website on your browser like this. Okay, so what we have right now on our setup, let's talk about that. My WordPress website that you're currently seeing on your screen, that has Hello Elementor installed, that you can see right now, and along with that I have two plugins installed: Elementor and a special plugin that is named as Pro Elements. This plugin is basically used to enable the pro features of Elementor Pro. So you don't need to go out there and buy Elementor Pro license of anything. You don't need anything at all. Just install Elementor and Pro Element. You can get Pro Elements by just going on Google and searching for Pro Elements. This first link is what you need. Just download it and install it on your website. I have another video to for this specific thing. I will just link it down in the description below. Okay, so what will you get out of this video? Basically this tutorial is designed to help you build skills that can evaluate your web development game. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to create a transparent header, but also gain insights into to Elementor's dynamic features and how to implement your design ideas seamlessly. Okay, so basically we will be following this design and creating this out of the box. I'm just going to do it in front of you, everything step by step. Okay, so let me just grab this Figma and just drag it over to my another screen so that I have it open in front of me. Okay, you can just follow along with me that you're seeing on my screen over here. So basically first we are going to create a page. Let's just delete this one and create a new one. Let's call this a home page. Okay, call this a home page, and just go back, go on the reading page under settings, and just select the home page to the page that we just created. Okay, and it will just come in front of you. So we have the page ready. So first things first, we need to create out the header of the page. So basically before the header, let's just see that if we have any menu installed, any menu configured on the website. So we don't have that. Let's just create a new menu. Let's call it a main menu. Okay, let me see. Okay, so let's create a couple of links that we have on the website. Let's call the first one home that we have on our design that we are following basically. Second one is about us. Third one is okay, sorry, our services. The fourth one is the gallery, and the fifth one is contact us. Okay, so we have this menu over here. Let's just go to the theme builder, okay, and just create header, new header. Okay, we don't need any blocks to follow, we'll just do it step by step. Okay, let's just create a container. Let's do it this way. No, you need to select this header. Okay, over here we need to add a logo. You can just leave it as it is, and over here we want to have two basically rows. Let me just uh, grab this screen just to get the idea that you are also seeing what I'm doing. This is basically we're trying to create a, okay, so first row is that we of that button that we have over on top of there, and the second one will be the menu. So let's just create another column maybe, and we can add in a button on top of there. Okay, and we just push all these things to the right like so, and we can add the menu. Search for the menu, WordPress menu. Okay, there you have it. And which menu? We only have this main menu that we just created. Okay, and let's do some styling. Let's just push both of these into center, justify content center, and over here we have a background uh, with transparent background, or button with a transparent background, and the spacing that we have is uh, top bottom 11 and left right 55. Okay, let's call it book now. Let's see, 11 on the top, 11 on the bottom, and 55 on the left and 55 on the right. Okay, and what is the font that we're using? We are using Poppins 18 pixel semi bold. Okay, so you need to go under typography. Under font family we need to select out Poppins 18 pixels and semi bold. Okay, and it has to be with 27.5 corner radius, so where the background radius is basically is going to be 27.5. Okay, let me just fix that. I guess 27 is good enough. Okay, and the background color will be transparent. Okay, let us see. Okay, we need to have that white border as well. I guess it's only 1 pixel. Yeah, 1 pixel, 1 pixel stroke. We need to have 1 pixel stroke, border solid, and we need 1 pixel border of white color. Okay, let's see what we have. We need to add conditions. We need to add it under complete website. Okay, save it. Let's see. Okay, we have this logo over here. Let's see. Okay, Let me just go and do a hard refresh. Let's just save this menu. I was not seeing it on the website. Let's see. Okay, there we have it. Let's push all these stuff to the right. These icons and all this stuff. Okay, push it to the right, and let's style them a bit. We have these text with pop-ins, font family pop-ins, medium and 16 pixel. Okay, so what we need over here is select these, and under typography, where is typography? Yeah, there we have the typography. We need to select pop-ins, 16 pixel. Oh my god, 16 pixel, and we need to have medium. Yeah, and we need to have them white. Let's do them white. We'll not see them unless we create this section underneath it, this one. Okay, and the whole idea, the whole concept of creating this video is making this header transparent to so that the hero section is just pushed along on top of it. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to make this section a position absolute. Okay, let's just go over here, and you can do it like so. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we have it. So now what we need to do is we need to go under pages, and we need to just edit this page, the home page, using Elementor. Once we have it open, let me just have a quick look. I guess the page template is not what we need. We need to have Elementor full width. Okay, and let's see. We need to add a section. Sorry, we need to add a section. It's a full width. Okay, it's a full width section, which is content in between, and a button and some social media icons, and the background image with an overlay. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create this section. We're going to give this spacing. Spacing on top is 312, and spacing underneath is 229. So if you're wondering how I'm checking it, just select on any text or any object in the Figma screen, and just click the tab, click the Alt button. Okay, it will show you the spacing to everything, every object around it. Just go over here. We need to add we need to have add some spacing, and spacing underneath will be, let's say, 41, for instance. 41. Okay, and just we need to add in an image. You can use any image you want, to any stock image will do the trick. Let me just see the image that I am using right now. Let's do it this with it. Let's go over here and let's just export this image right now. Just cannot see the export button. Let me see. Just doing it in documents. Come back and just upload the image. There you have it. Let us give some basic properties to the image. Position, center, repeat, no repeat, display size to cover. Okay, and just try to add background overlay. The overlay is, let me get it back by doing Control Z. It's a linear background, linear overlay, linear gradient. There it is. Let me see. Okay, yeah. I guess that's good enough. Okay, we have a text over here saying lorem ipsum text. Let's just add a text. Let's just add the heading. That's for instance. Okay, and make it a spam, for example, and check the spacing between. There's no spacing, I guess. Okay, and it's Poppins, font size 20 pixels. Font size 20 pixels. And it should be 400, I guess. Yeah, that's correct. And we need to add heading level 1, like so, and we need to copy this heading, and we can also check the spacing, 49 pixel and 52 pixel of the font size. We can just add a break over here, line break. Just make sure it's heading level 1, and just do fix the font family, like so. And I guess let's see how much. It's semi-bold. Okay, it's already semi-bold. And what about the spacing? The spacing was, I guess, something 42, I guess. Okay, and we need to add one more button over here. So let's add in a button. Make sure it goes into the center. Okay, and just we need to check the sizing. 13 pixel in the x-axis vertically and 27 pixels horizontally. Okay, let's do it this way. 13 pixels and 27 pixels, and 13 pixel bottom, 27 pixels on the right, and on the left as well. And we don't need, we need bad border radius. I guess it's 27. Let's just double check it. And I also, we need to check the color. Okay, just copy the color. You can just copy the hex code as well, F36 F21. Okay, let's see, we can just copy the make an inquiry text, and let's see, pop in semi-bold and 16 pixels. It is make an inquiry. We need to make it pop-ins 16 pixels, and I guess it's, let us double check, semi-bold. Yeah, that's correct. Semi-bold, and it's should be capitalized. Yeah, okay, that's it. And what else do we need? We need to have these social media icons. So let me check the spacing underneath over here. It's 164 pixels. Let's add it under 140, I guess, under the button. And after that, let us add the social media icons, like so. Let's push them to the right. Okay, and yeah, let's just make them, let's see, we have we can just make them border background transparent. Yeah, primary color transparent and secondary color will be, I guess that's already white. Yeah, that's correct. So you can just give them, select any social media icon that you want to. So primarily, basically, we are basically, I guess, completed. Yeah, there you have it. You can add, oh, let me see, we don't have, we cannot just see our button that we have. Give me a second. Text color should be white and the border color should be white as well. Let me see. Let us get to the inspect element, I guess. I guess it's a problem with Z index. Let me check. Yeah, that's correct. So let's do it this way. Come back to the header. Yeah, and select this container and go under the CSS. You can just type in selector to just make sure that it selects the selector that you have just opened. Yeah, so this is basically select this container. We are basically writing the CSS for that. Okay, and make sure you write width is equal to 100% and z index should be let's say 9 for example. And we can also add slightly padding, yeah, 30 pixel for example on top and bottom. I guess that would be good enough. Padding top, I guess 20 pixels will also be good enough as well. Let's see. Yeah, there you have it. So you can just change the color of this this hover effect. Okay, so basically this was it for today's video. And if you want me to create more videos like this or anything that goes close to that, anything that you want me to do, you can just write it down underneath it. And if you want me to create something else that you want to, that you are stuck with, just let me know, and I will just get that thing to you. Okay, and thank you so much for watching the video. And at the end I would like to say that please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if this video feels somewhat useful to you. And thank you so much.